A source of light is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from a photocell and the stopping potential is found to be V naught. Okay. One source light is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from the photocell. One photocell is there. From there, the light will be placed from the light. The distance from that photocell to the light is 50 centimeter. And the stopping potential is found to be V naught. If the distance between the light source and the photocell is made 25 centimeter, whatever the distance between the light source and the photocell is made 25 centimeter, the new stopping potential will be, initially it was 50 centimeter, now it was reduced to 25 centimeter, then the new stopping potential will be what we need to find here. We know some basic information related to the stopping potential, that is, by changing the position of the source of light from photocell, there will be a change in the intensity of light falling on the photocell. Okay. Then, as the stopping potential is independent of the intensity of the incident light, hence the stopping potential remains the same as V naught. There is no change here. So many of them are reduced here. There is a 50 to 25 means they are going to change it as it is a 4 V naught or 2 V naught. It is wrong. Always it is remains constant. It remains same. So option B, V naught is our right answer.